In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A3 size document in Microsoft Word. If you're preparing a poster, a large chart, or any document that needs more space than standard letter or A4, switching to A3 gives you a roomy canvas at 297 by 420 millimeters. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on screen, and share quick tips so everything looks the way you expect. With your document open in Word, look toward the top of the window for the ribbon, that row of tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. Click the tab labeled Layout. In some versions, especially older desktop builds, this may be called Page Layout, but it's in the same spot and does the same job. This area controls how your document is structured on the page, margins, orientation, columns, and most importantly for us, paper size. Once you're on the Layout tab, you're in the right place to make the change. Now, find the Size button in the Page Setup group on that Layout tab and click it. A drop-down menu will appear listing common paper sizes. Depending on your regional settings, you might see the dimensions in millimeters or inches, but the names will look familiar: letter, legal, A4, A3, and others. If you hover over each option, Word may show the dimensions beside the name, which can be helpful for confirming you're picking the right one. This menu is exactly where Word stores all the preset sizes. From that size menu, click A3. The moment you select it, Word will update the document canvas to A3. You'll likely notice the page on your screen getting larger. And if you already had content, the layout may reflow slightly to take advantage of the extra space. If the page now looks too big on your monitor, simply adjust your zoom level so you can see the full sheet while you continue working. Nothing else changes automatically. Your margins and orientation remain as they were, so your design stays consistent as you scale up. A few helpful notes as you continue. This size change applies to the current document, and if your file uses sections, it applies to the current section. If you plan to print, make sure your printer supports A3. Otherwise, exporting to PDF preserves the size perfectly for professional printing. And if you collaborate in Word across different devices, the A3 setting travels with the document. That's it. Click Layout, click Size, and choose A3. You're ready to design on a bigger page with confidence.